If you love cooking pasta, dumplings, or blanching vegetables, you know how important it is to have the right tools. This Mylifeunit 2-pack stainless steel mesh spider strainer promises to deliver everything you need to make straining, rinsing, and blanching a breeze. Let's dive into the key reasons this product is a must-have for your kitchen. Why you need the Mylifeunit pasta strainer. Whether you're an amateur cook or a seasoned chef, the right tools make all the difference. The Mylifeunit stainless steel mesh spider strainer is a versatile and highly durable kitchen tool that simplifies your cooking experience. Why choose Mylifeunit pasta strainer? Large capacity, suitable for large portions, making it ideal for family meals or big cooking batches. Durable stainless steel, withstand frequent use and high temperatures without wear or rust. Heat-resistant handle, safe, comfortable, and ensures protection while handling hot foods. Space-saving hook, store it conveniently without taking up space in your cabinets or drawers. Multi-purpose use, used for everything from straining pasta to blanching vegetables or even frying foods. Here's why you should consider adding this essential piece to your kitchen. Number 1. Deep basket design for maximum capacity. The Mylifeunit spider strainer features a deep basket design, allowing you to strain larger portions of pasta, noodles, dumplings, vegetables, or even fruits with ease. With its large capacity, 4.54 inches in diameter and 6.1 inches deep, it's perfect for those family-sized batches of spaghetti or even small jobs like blanching a few vegetables. Versatile straining. Use it for everything from cooking pasta to straining excess oil from fried foods like French fries or onion rings. Efficient cooking. It allows for fast drainage with the fine mesh that helps quickly release water or oil. Number 2. Premium stainless steel construction. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this pasta strainer is designed to last. The mesh is rust-resistant and designed to endure the rigors of daily cooking. Durable. Unlike plastic strainers that can crack, the stainless steel construction ensures this strainer will withstand high temperatures and heavy use. Easy to clean. The smooth surface makes it easy to clean. Just rinse it under warm water after use. Number 3. Heat-insulating wooden handle for safety. Handling hot foods can be tricky, but the wooden hook handle on this pasta strainer ensures that you stay safe while cooking. The wooden handle provides excellent heat insulation, so you don't have to worry about burning your hands when using it with boiling pasta, oil, or hot water. Safe and comfortable. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain even during extended use. Extra heat protection. The wooden handle remains cool to the touch, ensuring your hands stay safe from hot steam and boiling water. Number 4. Stable round base for easy use. One of the standout features of the Mylifeunit pasta strainer is its stable round base. The design allows you to rest the strainer directly in the water or oil while you cook, preventing it from tipping over and causing a mess. Practical and secure. The round base ensures the strainer stays upright, keeping your kitchen area organized and mess-free. Number 5. Convenient hook for storage. This pasta strainer also features a space-efficient hanger hook, which allows you to easily hang it from a hook in your kitchen for quick access and efficient storage. Space-saving. The hanging hook helps keep your strainer off the countertop or out of cabinets, freeing up storage space for other kitchen tools. Number 6. Ideal for various cooking uses. The Mylifeunit spider strainer is incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks. Straining pasta and noodles. Whether you're making spaghetti, lo mein, or ramen, this strainer ensures a smooth, easy process. Blanching vegetables. It's also great for blanching vegetables like broccoli or green beans, helping you prepare ingredients quickly. Frying and deep frying. Perfect for draining fried foods such as French fries, chicken wings, and tempura. Rinsing and steaming. Use it to rinse pasta or fresh produce, or steam dumplings, ensuring even distribution of heat and liquid. Final thoughts? Should you buy the Mylifeunit pasta strainer? If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and durable strainer to help with your daily cooking tasks, the Mylifeunit pasta strainer is a must-have. With its large capacity, premium stainless steel, and space-saving design, it brings both convenience and practicality to your kitchen. Whether you're cooking pasta, blanching vegetables, or frying foods, this strainer will handle it all with ease. The heat-insulating wooden handle and stable round base make it a safe, easy-to-use tool for any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.